Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon yogurt cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease a loaf pan. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and whisk wet ingredients, including 1 cup plain yogurt and lemon zest in another. Fold wet into dry until just combined, pour into the pan, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool slightly, then glaze and slice for serving. Gather your ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and calm. Measure 1 cup plain yogurt and crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Zest and juice 2 lemons, set aside both zest and juice separately. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a loaf pan with butter or nonstick spray. Sifting the flour and baking powder helps create a lighter crumb and prevents clumps in the batter. Start by whisking eggs and sugar until slightly pale, then stir in 1 cup yogurt and lemon juice for brightness. Gently fold the sifted flour, baking powder, and salt to avoid overworking the batter. Pour into a greased loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees F until a toothpick comes out clean and the top springs back. Let the cake cool briefly, then drizzle with a simple lemon glaze and slice to serve warm or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.